Really, bro? What I mean by from morning, you know? Brother. So you mean to tell me say yo no message? You tell her the honest truth. Nobody not really meds me right now. Yeah. Somebody saw messages still. Ruin yourself. When you're ready. Yo, what going for Valentine? Brother, allow me, brother. Man, move for yourself, brother. No, me not nobody carry me, brother. Yeah. Me not gonna wait for Valentine, man. Nobody not carry me out. Your life sad, youth. If I'm gonna buy a rose, brother, move to my youth, me buy a rose and treat myself. No, me just take like 2 minutes and just revise. Me just revise through my book. You get me a forward on the road. Me a forward. You. Me a forward, man. So, approximate. Watch your walk, watch your talk. Yo, what you deal with? Diana. You know, say me here too, you to say them a come bad, yo. What? Yo, so which one of them? Which one? Yo, what's the matter of fact? Who? No, one time you say you them a come bad, you know, and I'm talking now. Brother, remember me a real mad in a youth. So where you go with job? No, this nasty na pretty, shocking me. And you feel a real mad brother. Me a real my mother head fear right now, you know. You no mad head right now, you know. See your mother me? Use this. I show up me, man. Your mother me. Remember me a real mad head, you know. Me a real like book pop style them the brother. Mad head that them out there get all of them lyrics. So top one I can a bad man. You're not a bad man. You're not a bad man. You can't be up my thing. Mr. Chen! Where you going? Where you going? Where you at? Send me one buckle of oil, one ketchup, 4 pampers. I want 4 pounds of flour, please. Hurry up, man, cause answer your doorway.
Okay, I can't be that for you.
No, Mr. Chen.
Yeah, this way go to do.
A pampers, me not, I teach you that.
This time no.
Say, man.
This is about, hold on, just a second. 1,035 cents.
A 950 me have, you know.
So no, I take out back the new, this is you, and you use newspaper white to do. Just fresh it out, wrap it out.
Alright, now I owe you $50.
No.
A $50, no, Mr. Chen.
No money, no goods.
So you mean to tell me, say, every Sunday me afford to come buy goods and $50 you can't just work, Mr.?
I can't sell them a perfect.
Let's check out my Sharon shop. That's why there's a name dog up here. If I get nothing yet, sir. In your pinnacle, girl. Long distance still in your belly.
You come?
Yeah. How about that?
Why you come so quick?
You don't feel that? Yo, dog.
Yo, bro.
Say no, you what one.
Yo, listen, man.
Me and you say, boy, Jerry a licky cat, you know.
What?
Jerry a licky cat. Me and you say, that lick about 4 cat already. That him never bow cat right now. The man a bow tiger, brother. That's a good thing me never eat that drink from him.
Dog, so you deal with me, dog?
Brother, I saw me have to deal with it, brother. Because we are power with
Jerry, I talk to you, know.
Jerry.
This man about
No, dog. It's a way in there. It's a prank. It's a prank, Jerry. I can't want to see how a real friend can be.
Man business.
Jerry. It's the poor blind man. It's the poor blind. Alright, bless up. You hear me, G? Bless up. $50 dog, really, brother. Now, high copy price with that today. Next person,
Hold on, find this, me G, and uplift yourself like John.
Thank you, me G. How much is?
Say your rise and shine. Say you see the sunshine, it's inevitable. Say your mind and say your time on time. You just send me to the song.
5,650 brother. Really, brother? After me just start here. How you don't like a couple price? Give me back money. No, me G. A joke me I make. You see if me name a mess that tune where add one produce. At me take back my money in a yacht. Who's there? Yo, man, who that? Yo. Bad boy, who out there? Who out there now? Yo. Java, I know you have some.
No, you're good, you're good, me G, you're good.
No,
just listen me now.
Stop.
Listen me. Me say you're good.
Stop. I saw me I'm good. You can't do the wrong turns.
Alright.
Up to me, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody here.
Yo, we couldn't wait to grow big and move out and get my own yard. No stress I kill me all about. But finally know what my mother had to talk about. It's like, I want to go out and can't go out. Because I have a couple things that I really want to sort out. The rest of the money never did it for me start count.
Yeah, man, I ain't that, man.
Right, dog, listen now.
My dad,
I'll pass you.
Corey again, my friend. I like that.
Yeah.
Everything
No
is-
face, no chase, eh?
Don't know, man.
Yeah, big up on yourself. You, no face, no chase,
Yeah,
no
man.
face, no
Big
face,
up
no face.
yourself, man.
Brother, me when time I go up on the road yesterday, brother, me I tell them, man, if the whole place full up, brother. Cause here me I go on the brother, cause Andrew tweeting the brother, come like say place is a bit... Brother, man, you are coughing at you. No, I'm not coughing, man. What we are doing that, cause I tell them, I make sure I cut up my antibiotics garlic them, you know. Brother, right now the country I go up on lockdown, cause me go up on the road yesterday, me I tell them, brother, listen to me. Come on, you, come on. Me not sneeze, brother. Come on. Nah, sneeze, my youth. If you feel, brother. See what I'm going on, Tessa. Aye, no. Wait there. Yes, no, me not take no check. All if a Scotia said, me say corona there, you know. Yes, corona there, so make sure you take your necessary precautions, them, you know. You see me, I say, wash your hand and no go out. No, don't go out. I right time now if you cut off people. Turn your yard. No, turn your yard and drink bush. Just drink bush and anything there. Any bush, just drink bush. Yes.
No, take no chicken. No check me now, say that for Scotia Senny. Food panty.
Me G, me I tell you, interview brother, me I tell you say nothing now go on from man, you know, me I say Corolla disease, mash you up my friend. Me I hope you pro box there no catch you know. No, brother, me have to carry myself, got trees, and bring myself come. I saw me could have make a little thing. Which way you go after this? Let me carry. Boy, me I tell you say everything mash up. Mash up me channel, what we have to do? Thing they mash up right now, no party now, kid. No go on, no little session. The little life them, brother, celebrity I take them right now. So, whoa, for do. No, nothing there for me, channel. Even church now, keep fit me, even go travel to gospel. Then I feel with time, my jeans, see that everything done, the food done right now, the food done. The girl they want food, everybody want food to cook my channel. What am I gonna do now? See that, the girl I text me about, she see me put me goat them for Instagram, cool, and I text me, I miss you, babe.
Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, some holy water.
Hello, is this the Jamaican police? Yes, I'm talking to you on my banger phone. They call it the chopper phone. I think there's some gang violence across the street. Come on, definitely. What did I want to tell you, I feel murder go on. I'm saying some load of my friend. I want to tell you, let her go on. My side is somebody I'm to you. I'm not going to give you again. The government, you can't find that white boy that be saying, don't know things that you know. You say me peace in office, don't know things that. What I'll get food, brother. Don't eat the food, brother. Why would I even eat the food? Have food, man. Yo, brother, eat me. Dog, you know, leave me out on argument. Leave me out on argument. Alright. Brother, if you're not clarify, you know, me talk when you do, you know. You let your food chill, it's a rat. Yo, alright. For real, man. Sometimes, brother, why you don't even eat him food? You shouldn't even do that. Why you couldn't even man left him food, so you should not eat him food, brother. Alright, cool. Yo, I told you eat it. Tell the man say I told you eat the food then. Dog, so I saw now move. Someone to deal my youth, one to the deal. I don't hear nothing my youth. Me no want hear nothing. Anyway, I'm done talk already. Give me 2 flour, me just get half. That's all. And juice, I him drink the juice, I water me get. Everything good, man. I better me put pepped up his Valley 9 next time. You know, everything good. Brother, I'm help them people there, no dog.
Definitely. Some friend just,
You don't even know what to say right now, brother. That is like a waste of time.
definitely. Bring some of my water though.
You know, I want a little piece of food, brother. Nobody can help me.
Don't make them tell
Alright, hold on. Let's see what I Yeah. Let's see, I have 100 grand life.
And still like how you just help me with the 100 grand. They're going to give you 50 more grand per interest.
From your energy, no right, me avoid you.
Cool. Yeah, man, I come pick up that.
Now if you do them nothing for them fight.
Brother,
First when them see say you are
friend. So you get what I
like me.
Yeah, money and interest to grow back with
Life too
interest.
short for you worry about too like
I know you feel that.
Man can't pick up the money.
No, brother, still, as a matter of fact, because of that now you are with me.
No, I'm up with you, man. Tell them I'm fucking.
No, come out of my car.
Yeah, come for your food.
No, it's a lie. I went since you start cook.
Since the cook shop lock. Stop going so because me don't poop in the kitchen enough.
No, no poop. The food does. It smells so good.
No man, eat up your food. Woo! Eat up the food.
Jesus Christ.
This is what happened.
Then they figure out say what that beg me little food.
She never tell me about that. She never tell me.
I'm sure that food will go over the girl. Like support. If me bring she like kill me, you know. God, you will just share with her for you. When time I come back, me too some of you.
Babe, look that, babe.
Yeah, let's get on, make a bit. Just for a minute. Okay. Just a second. Okay. We're gonna start. Start now. Okay, yeah, that's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot. That's the spot.
Yo, brother.
Dog, you know, say boy not there.
You know?
Him not there, you know.
Yo, say you know, say me a cook and me a search my salt.
What you say?
Find my salt. Me I wonder how it done so quick.
You know, say me have to do.
What? What you do with salt, brother?
I mean, I start to me sweat like frog.
What do you mean?
Swell up. Yo, me a cut you know. Me a cut. Sorry. Hold on there. Why not get a one thing? Why not get a one thing and then you're lame. Stop the pen per man. You're yammed. Stop going like so you're yammed, my girl. Why you not listen to me? Do your own thing. Do your own thing. Yo, it's your mom. Jesus. I know me already see. No, me already. Do your own thing and stop that man clown you out. You need by eye. You not do like nothing. You not do nothing here. You need me not stop rinsing, you know.
Ice. Diamond drip like ice. The closet. Nice.
Do your own thing.